Welcome, in front of me is DELL G15 and in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on this laptop. To do this, right-click on any empty space of your desktop, then select Personalize, then go to Background. And here you can choose, by expanding this list, you can choose one of the 4 available options for your screenshot. Let's start from the picture. The picture is basically just a single photo that will be on your desktop. You can choose between recent images that you had on your wallpaper or maybe just default Microsoft backgrounds. You can also click Browse Photos and find a photo in your File Explorer. And you can choose a feed for your desktop image by expanding this list and selecting the feed that you like the most. The second option is the solid color, which will make just one color your entire background. You can choose between default colors or select a custom one by clicking View Colors next to Custom Colors option. The third option is a slideshow, which is basically just a slideshow of images for your laptop. You can select a folder for a slideshow, folder with pictures for a slideshow, by clicking Browse next to choose a picture album for a slideshow option. You can change the frequency of the images changing by expanding this list and selecting the value that fits you the most. You can shuffle the picture order by switching this toggle to the right, and you can also let the slideshow run even when laptop works on battery power by switching this toggle on. Now, you can also choose a feed for your desktop image, just like with the photos. Just expand this list and choose which one is right for you. And the last option is the Windows Spotlight option, which is basically just a random image from Microsoft that changes every once in a while, and there is no additional options to it. You can also learn about each picture that shows in your desktop by clicking right here and going onto the Microsoft page to learn about the view that you see in front of you. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.